Welcome to our video, where I will show you how including oats in your diet will lead to optimal health. Let's get into it, shall we? Oats have typically been part of breakfast meals, found in many cereals and flours. Most recently, oats have been made into milk and are now a popular dairy alternative. Rich in fibre, oats can be an important part of a low-fat diet. Although oats are naturally gluten-free, they're often grown beside wheat fields and processed in the same plants as wheat. So we recommend finding a brand that has gluten-free written on the packaging. The following are the top 5 reasons to include oats in your diet. Number 1. Promotes weight loss. Because it is high in fibre and can satiate a person for longer, eating oats in the right amount can help you with any weight loss process. Number 2. Improves heart health. According to some studies, eating whole grains is good for the heart and arteries, reducing blood pressure and the chances of developing coronary disease. Number 3. Prevents diabetes. Because of its low glycemic index, oats help prevent diabetes, reduce the absorption of carbs, and improves insulin sensitivity. Number 4. Stimulates digestion. Because of its fibre, oats not only give a sensation of satiety and help with weight loss, but also help regulate the intestine. Once the high quantities of fibre in oats enters in contact with water, they form a gel that stimulates intestinal movement. Number 5. Improves gut health. Oats stimulate the growth of probiotics through the beta-glucan fibres, which also help to improve immunity and prevent diseases that attack the immune system. This has shown to reduce the chances of intestinal cancer. Oats can be used in recipes in place of flour, as a milk alternative in your cereal or latte, or added to baking like cookies and pie crusts. But the easiest way to get the benefits of oats is by having it at breakfast as oatmeal. Add a little maple syrup and yum! What is your favourite way to enjoy oats? Share in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.